Was a track meet, how I ran it up. Labels calling, trying to get me, but I won't respond. Until the numbers make sense, I ain't trying to sign. Nigga, this pussy grade A, you ought to try a line. Flawless diamonds in the watch, I'm really buying time. Hold a Benz, eggshell, shoes off-white. You know this big girl shit just by the car lights. Bank account, heavy red.
We got 10 whole motherfucking minutes. Talk about some shit. But, bitch hadn't even had her second part of her mommy makeover and, yes, looking good. Yes, this is what I've been striving for, to get thick hips and a slim waist. So something paying off, something working. Today is Friday, and let me not forget to Ozempic, okay? And let's stuff my face and eat. I'm hungry. Rice is awesome. We gonna put a little, here's what we here for, y'all. This here, y'all, and I don't have no ice. My fridge is all busted up, like shit stopped working earlier this week. Figure out some shit, cause I'm getting ready to travel. I'm being selfish, like I am. Fuck it, they'll be all right. We got a deep freezer. My trip is coming up real soon, and if I spend $1,000 or $2,000 right now to buy a brand new refrigerator, I won't be getting one of my procedures done that's getting ready to come up real soon. And I'm not willing to sacrifice that right now. Fuck that. These kids is grown. I ain't got no motherfucking babies. And they'll be all right for the next month or so without a refrigerator. The fuck? Fuck that. Like, I'm tired of making sacrifices for this goddamn house and everything else. And putting my shit on hold. This is what happens. What I do. Shit happens and I gotta financially set me back right now. Fuck that. I'm not doing it. They'll be alright. Go get some ice. Like, fuck that. I ain't eating anyway. Bitch, you on a hunger strike. The fuck. If I'm getting some extra shit done, like, fuck this house right now. I'm investing in me, my bodies, my look. I just want a little drink, that's good. Just what I needed. It ain't even cold. I don't even care. I needed this drink right about now. Oh, that's what I forgot too, y'all. Pre-clearances for this surgery. I had to do a mammogram, a chest x-ray. Only thing I have left to do is a EKG. And I can get that done hopefully this week coming up. I can just walk in and get that done. Taste that. I wanted to show y'all the shrimp before. Look at that. Can y'all see it? Shrimp are huge. And we got some corn. We got some broccoli.